This is question 25 of civil engineering paper of GATE 2019 afternoon session. Construction of a new building founded on a clay soil was completed in January 2010. In January 2014, the average consolidation settlement of the foundation in clay was recorded as 10 mm. The ultimate consolidation settlement was estimated in design as 40 mm. Considering double drainage to occur at the clay soil site, the expected consolidation settlement in January 2019 will be. So, in this question, a construction of new building is founded on a clay soil and the construction was completed in January 2010. In January 2014, that is after 4 years, it was found that consolidation settlement was as 10 mm. And the ultimate consolidation settlement was already estimated in design as 40 mm. Now, we need to find the expected consolidation settlement in January 2019, that is 9 years after the construction. So, this question is from the topic of consolidation of soil. You may study about the degree of consolidation, how to calculate the consolidation settlement, what are the different equation we use, what are the equation for time factor, what are the relation between time factor and degree of consolidation. Why? In this lecture, lecture 41, compressibility of soil, soil mechanics geotechnical engineering 1 by Professor Dilip Kumar Baid, IIT Kharagpur. Now, just let's recall the formulas which we will use to solve this question. So, the relation between time factor and degree of consolidation, there are two equations for that. The first equation, when the degree of consolidation lies between 0 to 60%, then we use this equation TV equal to pi by 4 U by 100 square. Now, if U is greater than 60%, we use this equation. TV is equal to 1.781 minus 0.933 log 100 minus U, where this TV is the time factor which is equal to CVT by H square, and this U is the degree of consolidation. So, degree of consolidation at any time t is equal to del H, del small h divided by del capital H into 100, where del small h is the settlement at any time t at which we are finding the degree of consolidation, and del capital H is the final total settlement which is at the end of completion of primary consolidation, when the all pore water is expelled. Now, here in the first part of this question, it is written, it is given that the settlement is 10 mm after 4 years. So, we can write the construction completed, construction completed in January 2010. Now, in January 2014, the settlement is 10 mm. So, settlement is equal to 10 mm at January 2014, that is after 4 years, and the ultimate settlement which is given in the question, ultimate settlement is 40 mm. Ultimate settlement is 40 mm. Now, if we find the degree of consolidation at this time, that is January 2014, so we can say at after 4 years, the degree of consolidation U is equal to this del H, means this consolidation at that time, that is 10 mm divided by ultimate settlement which is 40. So, into 100. So, it will be 10 by 40 into 100, this will be 4 by 100, that is 25%. Then we use the equation, the first equation, that is TV equal to pi by 4 U by 100 square. So, relation, so we can write here this, the TV is equal to pi by 4 into u by 100 square. Now we can write this TV is equal to this pi by 4 and u, the value of u is 25 by 100 square. Now further this TV can be written as CVT by h square. So CVT by h square is equal to pi by 4 into this will be 1 by 4 square, 1 by 4 square. Now can we write this this t will be how much? This t will be 4 years. Okay, so can we write this CV into 4 by h square is equal to pi by 4 into 1 by 16. So further this CV by h square will be pi by 4 into 1 by 16 into 4, that is 1 by 64. So this will be for first part when the January 2014. Now for the second part, that is in January 2019. In January 2019. So we can say this TV is equal to this CV T by h square. So this TV we just now we don't know the degree of consolidation is it is below 60% or greater 60%. So now just assume u is smaller than 60%. Assume u is smaller than 60%. So we can write this equation pi by 4 u by 100 square is equal to CV by h square, just we have calculated, and this CV by h square is independent of time. So CV by h square is equal to pi by 4 into 1 by 64. This is CV by h square into time t. So time t is 9 years. So this is 9. Now pi by 4. So u by 100 is equal to del h settlement at after 9 years divided by total settlement, which is 40 mm. Is 40 square is equal to pi by 4 is into 1 by 64 into 9. So this pi by 4 and pi by 4 will be cancelled out. So del h by 14 is equal to root over 9 by 64. So this will be delta h is equal to 3 by 8 into 40. So this will be 15 mm. So 15 mm. Now this is the settlement after 9 years. But now we also need to verify the assumption. So just find the degree of consolidation. So degree of consolidation equal to del h by capital del H, del capital H into 100. So del H we found 15 mm divided by 40 into 100. So it will be around, this will be 7.5 by 2, that is 37.5. This will be 37.5%. So which is smaller than 60%, which is smaller than 60%. So our assumption is okay. So we can go with this answer 15 mm. So the answer is 15. So the correct answer for this question is 15. Thank you.